Question 12, exercise 9.1. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So here a building is given, height is given as 7 centimeter. Let's name the building as AB. Okay, there is another far from this building. We have a tower. Let's name it as CD. Okay, this CD height is being asked here. So let us construct the geometry. Let this point be E. Now from A, angle of elevation to the top of the cable tower is 60. So this angle is equal to 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot from A to the foot of the tower, angle of depression is means this angle is 45 degree. Now what to find? Determine the height of the tower. That means we need to find here CD is equal to how much? It's very clear. CD is equal to DE plus CE. DE is how much? DE is 7 centimeter. So we can write it as 7 plus CE. So we need to find CE. To find CE, if we know AE, we can find CE by utilizing 60 degree angle and tan property. But AE is not given. For that, angle 45 degree here is given. So if this angle is 45 degree, this angle also will be 45 degree. Now we can find or utilize this triangle, or you can directly use this triangle. Both are same. Okay, both method will give the same answer. So AE is also equal to BD. So I am taking triangle ABD. Triangle ABD. D angle is 45 degree and AB is the opposite side, BD is the adjacent side. So function connecting them is tan D equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is equal to AB divided by BD. What is tan D? Tan 45 is equal to AB 7 divided by BD. Tan value of 45 is 1, which gives BD is equal to 7 meter. That means BD is equal to 7. CE is also 7 meter. Therefore, height of the tower height is equal to CD, which is equal to 7 plus CE, which is equal to 7 plus, okay, it's not yet completed. CE we need to find. Sorry for that. So in order to find CE, let us consider the triangle, which one? AEC. Okay, in that angle A is equal to 60 degree, CE is the opposite side, and AE just now we found, which is BD. AE is equal to 7 meter. So apply triangles angle property. Tan A equal to CE divided by AE. Tan A means what? Tan 60 is equal to CE divided by 7. So tan 60 is equal to root 3, which gives CE divided by 7, which gives CE is equal to 7 root 3. Now it's come our answer. Tower height is equal to CD 7 plus CE is equal to 7 plus 7 root 3 is equal to 7 into 1 plus root 3. So height of the tower is equal to 7 into 1 plus root 3.